everyone, so we're just going to want to add in some olive oil. Make sure it's enough olive oil. So into that, we're also going to want to add a bit of butter. Give that a mix around. Straight into that, we're going to want to add our garlic. Give that a quick mix. And into that, I like to add in some fresh chili and also a bit of chili flake. Let that simmer up. I like to take my prawns. I'm just going to add a generous amount of prawns straight into the bowl. Get all that beautiful mixing around. When we get to about here, I like to add in a bit of paprika. And get all that into the mix. A nice cracking. Just going to add in the pasta. I like to add a little bit of white wine. Now if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.